Okay, today I'll be doing a shooting test with the Crosman pump shotgun. I'll be shooting Crosman .20 marking ammo, which doesn't really mark, but it doesn't really matter. They're .20s, they work fine. And I'll be shooting 16 shots out of it. And if you saw my other videos before, of my review of the shotgun and the airsoft loadout video, you'll see how it performs today in the shooting test. Okay, let me get you guys set up here. Okay, now I'm back. I got all loaded up and everything. Now I'm going to be shooting about 16 shots out of Crosman pump shotgun from here down to there. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that because I can. And then, okay, I'm going to go set the camera up and I'm going to be shooting from about 45 feet. Okay, hold up here.
In spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code.
Okay,
it's not about the salary, it's
okay,
all
guys,
about
all set up on the target. I'm gonna go back and shoot. Okay, see me, I'm gonna go back and shoot.
Much, never concerned with status, but still even in starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear. Cause Ryder was ill. Who would have thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method. Name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verse? This dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots. Stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that shot. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100%.
As you guys can see in the video, I shot about 16 times. You can see some of the bullets actually penetrated over there. Out of 16 shots, I missed about 5. And these are just other views from my shooting before, and that would be the shooting test on the Crosman pump shotgun from that I got about 30 to 40 bucks. Thank you. I remember. Have a nice day.